everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we were talking about something that shines just as bright as your confidence, the metallic chunky heel with ankle strap sandals. These gorgeous heels are perfect mix of comfort, glamour and everyday style. Whether you are getting ready for a party or a wedding or just want to dress up your casual look, these sandals are going to be your favorite pair. Let's start with the first thing you notice, the metallic shine. It's smooth, reflective, and absolutely stunning under any kind of light, daylight, stage light, or camera flash. That metallic finish glows beautifully. It's give you that luxurious look without being too loud. You can wear gold, silver, rose gold, or even bronze shade. Every color tells a different story. Now talk about the chunky heel, one of the most comfort trend ever. Unlike thin settlers, chunky heel give you stability and balance while keeping that fashionable height. You can walk, dance or stand for hours without feeling tired. It's the perfect heel for girls who love style but don't want to compromise on comfort. It supports your step and gives you that confident, graceful stride. And of course, the ankle strap. This little detail changes everything. It adds that soft feminine touch while keeping your foot secure and steady. The strap highlights your ankle beautifully, giving a delicate, elegant fashion to your look. You can adjust it easily for the perfect fit so your sandals stay comfy all day long. Let's talk about the style combination. These metallic chunky heel go with almost everything. Pair them with floyd dresses for summer events, jeans and blouse for a classy casual look, or with your favorite sari or gowns for wedding and parties. No matter the outfit, the metallic shine adds that little wow factor that make you stand. From festive celebration to date night, from birthday to holiday trip, these sandals can travel with you everywhere. They are light, easy to pack, and instantly make any outfit look polished. You don't need a reason to wear them. They make even simple moment feel special. Let's talk about comfort because all we know how important that is. Inside the sandal, you will find a soft cushioned sole that support your foot. It keep you comfortable even if you are walking or standing for hours. No pinching, no slipping, just smooth comfort with every step. It's the kind of shoe you want can wear all day and still smile at the end of. Now imagine the sound of your heel as you walk, that confident click on the floor. The shine catching the light, the balance of the chunky heel keeping you grounded yet graceful. Every step feel empowering like you are ready to take on anything. That the magic of metallic chunky heel, bold, elegant and totally you. If you are wearing metallic heel, keep your accessories simple like the shoes do the talking, unnatural clutch, soft makeup and a confident smile that all you need to complete the look. These sandals are really sparkle enough to make your outfit shine. So to wrap it up, the metallic chunky heel ankle strap sandals are the perfect blend of comfort, shine and style. They are trendy, easy to wear and give you an extra touch of glamour for any moment. If you have not tried them yet, it's time to give your wardrobe a little sparkle. Walk with confidence, shine with grace, and remember the right pair of shoes can make any day feel special. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion, styling, and footwear inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish and stay confident, and keep shining with every step.